course. Here's a natural sounding YouTube script for you, around 750 to 800 words, starting with your requested intro, -- Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we are diving into the brand new Vivo Y32 2025 edition. Get ready to explore everything about its features, design, and why it might just be your next smart choice. Let us get started. The 2025 Vivo Y32 brings a fresh wave of energy into the budget smartphone market. Vivo has worked hard to refine this model, and it really shows when you start using it. From its display to its camera setup, the Y32 delivers more than you might expect at this level. First up, the display. The Y32 comes with a 6.6-inch IPS LCD screen offering a crisp HD+ resolution. Colors are vibrant, viewing angles are solid, and the brightness level is more than enough for daily outdoor use. It is not an AMOLED panel, but for its price range, the display quality is impressive and perfect for media consumption, gaming, and browsing. Performance-wise, the Vivo Y32 is powered by the latest Snapdragon 6 series chipset optimized for efficiency and everyday tasks. Whether you are scrolling through social media, playing casual games, or switching between apps, the Y32 handles it all smoothly. Thanks to 4 GB of RAM and expandable virtual RAM support, multitasking feels relatively quick and lag-free. Now talking about the cameras. On the back, the Y32 features a dual camera setup with a 13-megapixel main sensor paired with a 2-megapixel depth sensor. It captures decent shots in good lighting, maintaining natural colors and sharpness. Portrait mode benefits from the depth sensor, producing nice background blur effects. On the front, you get an 8-megapixel selfie shooter that does a good job for video calls and selfies, especially under natural light. Battery life is another major win for the Y32. It packs a massive 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts more than a day on moderate use. Streaming videos, playing games, and even hotspot sharing will not drain it too fast. Charging speed is decent with 18-watt fast charging support via a USB-C port, meaning you are back to full in just a couple of hours. The Y32 also comes loaded with the latest FunTouch OS based on Android 14. It offers a clean and customizable experience. Features like Ultra Game Mode, extended RAM technology, and Imager for device optimization add real value for users who want a smooth, hassle-free experience. Now let us talk about the exterior and design of the Vivo Y32. Vivo continues its tradition of stylish designs even in the mid-range segment. The 2025 Y32 looks sleek with its smooth gradient back finish and slim profile. It weighs just around 180 grams, making it easy to hold for long periods. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor is quick and accurate, while the matte finish on the back resists fingerprints quite well. Vivo offers the Y32 in 2 stunning color options this year. The Galaxy Blue version gives you a cool sparkling effect under sunlight, while the Pearl White variant offers a more classic, elegant look. Either way, the design feels premium in the hand, something you might not expect at this price point. Audio is handled by a single bottom-firing speaker that gets reasonably loud without much distortion. You still get a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is becoming a rare feature these days and will surely be appreciated by those who prefer wired headphones. Connectivity-wise, the Y32 supports dual 4G SIMs, VoLTE, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, and GPS. Unfortunately, there is no 5G support, but for many users focusing on affordability and reliability, 4G connectivity is more than enough. Security features are solid as well. Besides the fingerprint scanner, the phone supports reliable face unlock. Both options are fast and accurate, giving you peace of mind when it comes to your privacy. The storage situation is also pretty flexible. The Y32 comes with 64 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 1 TB via micro SD card. That means you will have no trouble saving all your apps, photos, and videos. Before we wrap up, a quick word about the user experience. The Vivo Y32 is not designed to be a powerhouse or a flagship killer. Instead, it aims to deliver solid everyday performance, long battery life, good cameras, and a stylish design without breaking the bank. And it succeeds in doing just that. In conclusion, the 2025 Vivo Y32 is a smart choice for students, casual users, and even older family members who want a dependable and stylish smartphone for daily use. It nails the basics, offers a couple of neat extra features, and looks great while doing it. If you are in the market for an affordable smartphone that does not compromise on essential features, the Vivo Y32 definitely deserves your attention. That is all for today. Thanks for watching and supporting FK iPhone. Make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. See you next time. Would you also like me to give you a short 15-second intro and outro separately too, if you plan to record them in a different style?